Ryan has found the cord to the video monitor and he's shaking it. It's mounted on the wall, but as you can see, he's moving it. And that's the cord. Oh, there's a different picture of his crib. Looks like I'm probably gonna have to go in there. He's a very ambitious little guy. Uh-oh. He may have actually gotten the wire. Definitely have a different view. Oh, there it is. Oh, yep, in the mouth, of course. Of course. Alright, I should probably go get him before he chews through it.